KidloLand. Subscribe for more videos.
Bibo and his friend Mino are going to make cookies. We'll make some big cookies and some little cookies, says Bibo. They add a small bowl of sugar, a medium-sized bowl of flour, and a block of butter in a big bowl. So Bibo stirs the mixture together round and round. Now, the mixture's all light and fluffy, says Mino. Mino takes a little spoon, and Bibo takes a big spoon. Mino puts a small dollop of cookie mixture on the baking tray. Bibo puts a large dollop of mixture on the tray. Mino places the baking tray in the oven. I can't wait, he says. Once the cookies are baked, Mino takes out the baking tray carefully. Bibo and Mino finally get to eat the cookies once they have cooled. So yummy, they say happily.
Like